Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to animate ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Here we got the ringtone volume. You should just swipe with your finger this dark dot to the right side, and by this way you can unmute your ringtone. And also we got a second way, but first click here to the advanced settings and be sure that in the volume button function you got selected the ringtone volume, not the media one. And now just by pressing your up volume button you can unmute your ringtone volume. And also we got the third way how we can do that. Just press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and you will see here the ringtone, the volume panel. Just press the button, one from the buttons, and swipe with your finger to the upside this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.